little blurb about the products, which is really exciting. We'll read that later.
And a recipe.
This is meant to inspire our 2020 healthy habits, because deciding what to eat every day can be a challenge, which is totally true.
So this box, we've got upbeat Thai curry lentils, and coconut curry lentil.
I can smell the curry. It smells unreal. As soon as you open it, you can smell that.
Wow, yeah. Lentils, yum. Oh, it doesn't have any nasties. Woohoo. I'm not sure how you say it. Cereals, organic chickpea, crisp turmeric, and black pepper.
The Sarah's Organics is it's a bite.
Oh, yum.
Oh, it's a hemp protein bar, a vegan one. Your bite. Organic tomato.
Oh yeah, I see them, yeah. I have hemp protein a lot. I have it in all my cereals, have it in all my smoothies.
And then I think the next one is our fava and broad beans.
Yum, I love fava beans.
So we've got lemon, thyme and black pepper.
Ooh.
And do you know what? I've seen they're by POD, which stands for Protein on Demand, and in the birthday box that you guys got me, they had chocolate covered chickpeas and they were delicious.
Oh.
Yeah, so I really like their stuff.
Yum.
Another by Sarah's chickpea crisps.
And it's made with brown rice as well, which was quite unusual.
Chickpea and brown rice.
Yeah. Nice. Yummy. Ooh. Kate's gonna like that one.
Yeah. Got a kombucha from Remedy.
Nice.
Awesome.
Kate's behind the camera there. Salivating.
She is with us. Pineapple flavoured.
Oh wow.
A light
That's
cultured
unusual.
Mexican pineapple drink.
Ooh.
It's called, I'm going to say this wrong. Would you say tepache?
Tepache. Yeah, Tepache. I'm thinking it as in American Indian Apache.
And it's not saying, I'm going to assume that this is another probiotic. Yeah, a cultured drink similar to a kombucha, but it's not kombucha.
Ah, okay, yeah. Sparkling live cultured pineapple soda rooted in old school Mexican fermenting tradition. Oh. Isn't it interesting how many traditional cultures have fermented products? And really in the West, it's like, we're like, oh wow, look what we've created.
Yeah, yes, yeah. I mean, fermentation is trending for us because I guess it's, as you said, not native to
Western culture.
Yeah.
I reckon that would be better than kombucha.
Yeah.
But yeah, that looks awesome.
This looks fun. Shelby's healthy hedonism. I like that.
That sounds good.
Yeah. A good indulgence. No refined sugar, gluten-free, no artificial sweetener. 10 grams of protein in the serve.
Nice. So that's good if you're a gym goer, because peanuts become really popular with gym goers.
And this is a 40-gram bar, so that's a 25% protein bar.
Good.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's really nice. I'd be interested to see how dark chocolate, because I'm not a big fan of peanut, but I know it's really popular. In saying that, I do like it in some things. It'd be really interesting to see the combination of peanut with dark chocolate, what that actually tastes like.
Yeah. We've got a little sample of cold pressed avocado oil. Delicious.
Yes.
I'd eat it, and I would not cook with it. It's extra virgin, cold pressed, so it should be tasty.
Oh, it's from New Zealand, because I was going to say that the Australian, and I'm going to hazard a guess, the New Zealand avocado oils are ranked really high in terms of quality.
Oh, really?
Like above some of the Spanish and Italian ones and stuff. Olive oil is the same, but that will be so delicious. I actually have not had avocado oil because I just use olive oil for everything. So yeah, you could eat that or you could wear it.
And if you ate it, you wouldn't want to heat it, blitz it with anything, you wouldn't even want to blend it for hummus or anything, it's going to be such nice oil. You don't want any friction or heat with it whatsoever.
Straight onto your salad.
In there.
Yeah.
And then last, definitely not least, a hydrating overnight mask from Burt's Bees. I love this stuff.
One of my all-time favourite. Awesome.
No parabens, SLS, petrolatum, dermatologically tested, avocado oil, and prebiotics.
Oh, yum! Prebiotics. So that's a big one that's coming out on skin now. I notice there's quite a lot of brands bringing out prebiotics for your skin.
Yeah, I don't know much about it. I've only started to notice a few products as well, so that'll be interesting to look into.
Yeah, absolutely. That's an awesome box. I love
exciting.
It. But in fact, I don't see any artificial ingredients anywhere.
Really?
Yeah. Well, there doesn't appear to be any. Other than you probably get the odd sort of glycerol or something like that in here.
If you students or anyone wants to try Goodness Me boxes, they're really lovely, and our students and followers, they get 10% off their first box with Well College Global is the code.
Promotion code. Yeah.